Astronomy is the science that studies celestial objects and related phenomena to explain their origin and evolution with the help of mathematics, physics, and chemistry. From the bodies present in our solar system, like planets, moons, comets, asteroids, to stars and nebulae in our Milky Way galaxy, and even the deep space and distant galaxies. We humans have an unsettling urge to observe and understand this extremely vast universe, which is beyond our sense of ordinary perceptions. The scientists have built telescopes, radio telescopes, satellites, and other means to look into the vast space. And one of the great telescopes mankind has ever built is the Subaru telescope. Subaru telescope is an optical infrared telescope having a diameter of 8.2 meters. The observatory is a part of the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan and is located at the summit of Mauna Kea, Hawaii, and is operated by the National Institute of Natural Sciences. It gives a wide field imaging data which is being used by researchers to study rare galaxies in the early formation stage. The data captured by the Subaru telescope was analyzed with the help of machine learning, and that helped in the discovery of a new galaxy with a low oxygen abundance of 1.6% solar abundance, breaking the previous record of the lowest oxygen abundance. Such a low oxygen abundance indicates that the majority of the stars in this galaxy were formed in the recent past. To understand the evolution of galaxies, astronomers study the galaxies in various stages of their formation and evolution. The universe has so much evolved in time that most of the galaxies are mature. So, astronomers are interested in finding galaxies that are in the early formation stage. Subaru telescope provides deep wide field data which is necessary if we want to find very faint and rare galaxies. Now, the wide field data is enormously huge and complicated, and it's very difficult to identify such rarely occurring galaxies in their early stage of formation, as the data includes 40 million celestial objects in approx, and this doesn't even look like a human work to scan such a huge data. So the team of researchers has come with a new machine learning method. They have created a computer to learn the theoretical models and relate them from the color of the galaxies and find that one in which the research team is interested. Researchers have successfully classified the shapes of over a half million galaxies using an extensive set of observational data from the Subaru telescope. Galaxies in the modern universe come in many shapes like spirals and ellipticals. There are too many galaxies to classify by hand, and this is where artificial intelligence AI comes in. First, researchers prepared training data and fed them into an AI. This AI successfully classified about half a million galaxies based on spiral patterns. The artificially intelligent computer selected 27 galaxies, and one which gained the researchers' attention is the HSC J16314426, an infant galaxy, and after several observations, they concluded that it is about 430 million light years away in the Hercules constellation. There are two interesting facts which arise from this artificially intelligent method. The first is that the galaxies in their early stages are very rare to occur. And secondly, there is a possibility of finding a newborn galaxy, although it's very rare. Also, the discovery of HSC J16314426 galaxy supports the framework of a standard cosmology according to which our Milky Way's matter density rapidly drops as its rate of expansion accelerates. So, in the cosmic evolution of our universe, the matter in the galaxies will be so expanded that it will not accumulate by the force of gravity. And this indicates that the HSC J16314426 galaxy may be the last generation of galaxy in the long cosmic history. According to Professor Masami Ochi at the University of Tokyo, the stellar mass of the HSC J16314426 galaxy is 0.8 million solar masses, which is about 1 upon 100,000 of the Milky Way galaxy, which is very less, and even the oxygen abundance was only 1.6% of the Sun, the lowest recorded value, which proves it to be primordial. This research was published in the Astrophysical Journal on 3rd of August 2020. You can find the research paper in the link given in the description.